Welcome to Investment24, your go-to YouTube channel for all things crypto. Today we explore Bitcoin University, a unique channel designed to demystify the complex world of Bitcoin. Founded by Matthew Kratter, a seasoned investor and former hedge fund professional, Bitcoin University is dedicated to educating viewers on Bitcoin and its potential for financial independence. Matthew Kratter started Bitcoin University after seeing the transformative potential of Bitcoin. With a background in hedge funds, Kratter brings a wealth of experience and knowledge to the table. The channel originally featured broader trading strategies under the banner of Trader University. However, Kratter soon narrowed his focus exclusively to Bitcoin education, realizing that a concentrated effort was needed to help people understand this disruptive financial technology. With over 235,000 subscribers, Bitcoin University emphasizes practical and actionable insights. Kratter uses clear and effective teaching methods to unravel even the most complex financial topics. Whether you're a novice or an experienced investor, you'll find value in his straightforward explanations and real-world examples. His approach ensures that viewers can easily grasp the nuances of Bitcoin investment, making it more accessible and less intimidating. One of the standout features of Bitcoin University is Kratter's ability to identify risks in various cryptocurrency projects early on. For example, he highlighted potential pitfalls in projects like Terra, Luna, long before they became obvious to the broader market. His focus on protecting investors from common pitfalls sets the channel apart as a reliable source of information. Kratter doesn't just stop at Bitcoin investment advice. He also addresses broader macroeconomic trends that can impact the cryptocurrency market. By providing a well-rounded view, Bitcoin University empowers its audience to make informed investment decisions. This holistic approach makes the channel a valuable resource for anyone looking to navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrency with confidence. The impact of Bitcoin University extends beyond just investment tips. It plays a crucial role in dispelling myths and misconceptions about Bitcoin, fostering a more informed and engaged community of crypto enthusiasts. By breaking down barriers to understanding, the channel makes Bitcoin more accessible to a global audience, encouraging informed participation in the crypto space. Join our growing community of crypto enthusiasts today and subscribe to Bitcoin University. Stay updated with the latest insights and never miss an episode. At Bitcoin University, we are committed to making crypto education accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrency.